How's it going? Good. Good. It's the Harlem Shake. The Harlem Shake. One of the most embarrassing, stupid, idiotic, ridiculous examples of how stupid, idiotic, ridiculous the human race can be. Think about that for a moment. Apparently there's an actual Harlem Shake from Harlem. It's not bad. I've seen it, right? It's not bad. And then you've got the terrible version of it, which is what a lot of people seem to be into. I guess if it's bad, it's good, but people don't classify diseases as good. I'm gonna sneeze. Let me just lay down the law here. If you're throwing up a video camera with your buds, and you're all doing this, you're not dancing. Let me just get that straight. You aren't dancing. You might have epilepsy. You might have put too much sugar in your cornflakes. I don't know. But you aren't dancing. Let me just get that straight. So if you're doing that, please stop. You just look dumb, as I just did. I'm gonna sneeze. We as humans develop as time goes on. We're not still writing on bricks. We've got iPads, tablets, you know, we're excelling in some areas. And in other areas, we might as well take what we used to write on the stone and throw it through our heads, because we seem to be getting stupider and stupider and stupider. Anywhooser, not do this, I have to sneeze. Because we were able of creating such devices like an iPad, a tablet, an iPhone, you name it, our brains are a lot more developed than they used to be back in the 1800s. If they were developed the exact same way, then we would already have iPads and iPhones. Obviously, our brains are doing something right, and our intelligence is going up. So why do we create fads like the Harlem Shake? Perhaps we're running out of creativity, but I don't think that that's possible. I don't think you can run out of creativity. Creativity is something that you make, something that you create, something that is formed in your mind that is unlike something that you've done before. Why can't we create a better dance? I mean, let's work on that as a human race, instead of one man flinging his body left and right like he's trying to smack the air. As a human race, let's make something that doesn't make us look like worms stuffed with helium. Alright, so, goodbye. Yes!